How's it going, guys? I got a little project I'm doing on the Lowrider S. You see the tall license plate bracket. I just don't like it. So we're going to be replacing that with this one. It's from Purpose Built. And this is the only tools you're going to need. You need whatever ratchet. It's a 7/16 socket, Phillips, and a flathead. Not a lot of tools necessary. It's actually a pretty easy install, but I'm going to show y'all. So as you can see, you got 3 here. You got to take this off here. Take this because this is like the slider thing for your license plate. Take that off, and then you're gonna have to bend this out a little, so be careful on your paint and everything. Bend that out, and then these screws here, and there's some nuts in the back. So not super complicated, but let's get going. As you see, I just put this up here just in case anything pops off of it. We'll just take this one off. And see how this is here. I have to bend this out, see, to be able to get to these. Maybe not, we'll see. Let's see here. I loosened these up already just to make sure. So let's see. I didn't loosen that one up. You can just hold this screw and then this Phillips head up here, and it comes out. So we don't need the Phillips. Well, at least I don't. This is where you want to be careful, where you don't scratch your paint up. And as you can see, boom, boom. This is this. So we just put it like this. And if you see, look at the difference, how flat that is. It looks so much better. It's not all sticking up crazy, so heck yeah. So just use these, the ones that came off the other ones, and then put some Loctite on it, and you're done. So super simple, but look how much better that looks. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. So there you have it. This is the before. Super tall. In my opinion, super ugly. And as you can see, this is the after. Look at that. Looks good. Just a little thing. I think it just makes it look just a million times better. And I really like this one. Like I said before, I had this one on my other Dyna, and they have some that stick up further. I just like this style. Super low, but there it is.